Welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for honest and detailed reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best Singer sewing machines in 2025, showcasing the perfect machines for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals alike. From lightweight portable options to heavy-duty models that handle any fabric with ease, we've got you covered. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you never miss our latest reviews. And don't forget to check the product links in the description box to explore these amazing sewing machines for yourself. This compact, lightweight, and portable sewing machine weighs just 5.5 pounds, making it perfect for beginners, small spaces, or sewing on the go. Despite its size, it offers 32 versatile stitch applications, including straight, zigzag, and blind hem stitches, ideal for mending, garment repairs, and creative projects. It features a top drop-in bobbin for easy threading and monitoring, an LED light for better visibility, and comes with useful accessories like an all-purpose foot, transparent bobbins, extra needle, manual threader, and a power cord to get you sewing immediately. Designed for home projects, this white portable machine combines style and functionality. It comes with 16 built-in stitches and 45 stitch applications, a 4-step buttonhole feature for perfect buttonholes, a free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves, and an LED light for precise work. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for moving between rooms or taking to sewing classes. The user-friendly stitch selector dial makes it easy to switch between stitches, while preset stitch length and width settings ensure professional results every time. The HD 500 Classic blends vintage-inspired style with modern performance, featuring a full metal frame for stability, a built-in needle threader, and a 1-step buttonhole function. Its strong motor delivers 50% more power than standard models, making it ideal for sewing heavy fabrics like denim and canvas, while adjustable stitch length, width, and needle position give you full customization. This robust machine is perfect for both decorative and functional sewing projects, offering reliability and elegance in one package. This high-speed machine is designed for serious sewists with a strong motor that pierces multiple layers with ease. It boasts 110 stitch applications, including basic, stretch, decorative, and a 1-step buttonhole, giving you ultimate creative flexibility. With a top drop-in bobbin with clear view cover, built-in needle threader, and full metal frame, it's both durable and easy to use. Whether you're sewing heavy fabrics or delicate projects, the 4452 is built to handle it all with precision and speed. Topping our list, the 4423 is a true powerhouse, featuring a heavy-duty metal frame, extra high sewing speed, and a strong motor capable of sewing through thick fabrics effortlessly. It offers 97 stitch applications, including basic, stretch, decorative, and a 1-step buttonhole for flawless results. The top drop-in bobbin with clear cover ensures easy threading and monitoring, while the robust construction guarantees long-lasting stability. Perfect for fashion, home decor, quilting, and crafting, the 4423 delivers professional results every time.